Welcome back. My name's Brian Roschetzky. Thank you so much for watching. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so you can be notified when the next video comes out. Thanks again for everyone watching. It was such a great day flying yesterday at Gigapress. Let's just go ahead and play the video because this one I think you're really going to enjoy. Thanks again. Do you own a Tesla? Maybe a Model 3 or Model Y or Model S? Seems like everybody's moving to Austin. For every single person that moves out, 1.3 people move in. All these homes, what do they need? They need solar panels. Tesla now has the cheapest solar panels in the entire nation. Seems to be a no-brainer. Austin, Texas has more sunshine than any city in America. With an abundant amount of sunshine and loads of free energy, if you're looking to get any new Tesla product, whether it be solar panels or a new Powerwall for your home, don't forget, I have a link in the description. Use my referral code for any future Tesla purchases. Because I think changing the game starts with us putting solar on top of our roofs. It was one of the windiest days ever at Gigapress, so I hope you enjoy. Sorry for the shake.
We've realized that the true problem, the true difficulty, and where the greatest potential is building the machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. Machine that makes the machine. Building the machine that makes the machine. The machine that makes the machine. Building the machine that makes the machine. Machine that makes the machine. In other words, building the factory. And really thinking of the factory like a product. Not sort of a hodgepodge of things that are bought, where the machines are kind of bought from a catalog. But actually, just like we do with the car, we don't try to create a car by ordering a bunch of things off a catalog. We design the car the way it should be. And I think the same approach is the right approach to take when building the machine maker. The factory. I actually think that the potential for improvement in the machine that makes the machine is a factor of 10 greater than the potential on the car side. I think maybe more than a factor of 10. I think maybe more than a factor of 10. Building the machine that makes the machine. Like JV was saying, like they spend huge amounts of effort trying to get a fraction of a percent of improvement on the product itself. But actually, that same amount of effort will yield an order of magnitude greater result if you focus on building a machine that builds the machine. And it's just that a lot of engineers don't realize that this is possible. They think that there's like a wall. They're basically operating according to these invisible walls. So we just need to, we're in the process of just going through and just explaining those walls don't exist.
In Tesla news, we'll start out with Tesla stock, which closed at the time of the recording at $880.80. That was the all-time high, actually, and it hit an all-time high during the day, right about $900, which closed about 4% up for the day, and the $900 was actually up pre-split. That would have been about $4,500. Wow, Tesla stock is killing it. Now, I don't want to talk politics here, but this definitely could affect Tesla in the future. Looks like, firstly, Nancy Pelosi's husband purchased about $1 million of Tesla's stock position. And yeah, that's pretty interesting. Also, the Biden administration has signed us back into the Paris Climate Agreement, and that's going to lead to a possible slew of new incentives that will be coming to the entire electric industry. Very interesting times coming this year. And lastly, reporter Lee Ki-min reports Samsung will be partnering with Tesla to develop a 5 nanometer class semiconductor for electric vehicles that will become the core of fully autonomous electric vehicles. Now, I don't know how much of this to take, but it does seem very interesting, and it does seem possible that in the future there would be some type of a new line of chips that comes out to not only lower the efficiencies, but also push that bandwidth that Tesla's going to need to get that fully autonomous network online. So very interesting stuff, and we'll see how the future holds. We also this week will have earnings report coming out. That's looking great. So it's going to be a very, very interesting rest of the week. And I'd even say tomorrow is going to be a really great day. So again, everyone, thanks for watching. Continue. And I want to thank all my Patreon supporters as well. Your support really makes this channel grow. And if you thought this video brought you value, don't forget, think about supporting me on Patreon as well. There's a link in the description. And don't forget, the best way of supporting me is being here and watching my videos. So thanks again and have a great day. I was extremely happy that I finally got a slab being hoisted up into its final resting place.
I also want to go ahead and apologize now. I do have cedar fever, extremely bad. I can hardly speak properly, I feel. I have to blow my nose about every 5 minutes, and it's extremely difficult to get anything done. So I'm sorry again, but I really want to thank everyone for watching. I will be continuing to get out to Gigapress no matter how bad this cedar gets. I want to thank again all my Patreon supporters, every one of you. Your support is greatly appreciated. But don't forget, all of my supporters, the best way of supporting me is to simply be here and watch my videos. So thanks again. Y'all have a great day.